Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 2 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we set up our levels, our grid lines. We added dimensions here. We also added exterior and interior walls and the door. Here we're going to continue working on this by adding in furnitures. So we should go to our insert and then load family. So go back here and then go to furniture. Let's add in the bed first. So we're going to add bed and we're going to choose this. After that, you need to go to architecture and then click on component or CM. Once you do, it will appear like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip this or change the orientation to somewhat like that. As you know, this will be a bedroom as well. So we're going to change this to here. Okay, so we added the beds like that. We will now press escape. We're gonna focus on our washroom here. So let's go back to insert, load family, go back again, and you should go to plumbing. So let's look for plumbing and then architectural and then fixtures. And then here we're gonna add in our bathtub. So we're gonna choose the 2D only. And then CM, or you will need to go to component. So here we're gonna add in our bathtub. We're gonna flip this around, something like that. After that, let's go to insert again, load family, and let's add in our water closet or our toilets. Most of the time, I'm just loading up 2D because we don't need 3D for this, and it will save us some space or some graphical calculation from Revit, so it doesn't make our model slow. So CM, type CM. So it's just a fast way of, instead of clicking component and going to architecture. So type in CM. So here we're gonna add in our toilet, and then let's add in our sink or our vanity. Go to insert again, load family, go down here, fixtures, and then go to sink, and then we're gonna add in our vanity. Press open, and then let's click it here. Press escape, and let's go to annotate to give this more detailed. So we're gonna add in this vanity top to represent the vanity top, and we're just gonna put it in the middle like so. So we're done with our washroom. Now we're gonna add in some walls here, and then we're gonna load in our closet door. So just click on your interior wall and type in CS. We're gonna do this. Around 800 will be fine. So that will be good. And then here, we could just close this off and add a wall like so right here. But our stairs will be going up like so, like here. So this will be good enough. And we're gonna move it a little bit like that. Let's go back and insert our door for our closet. So let's go to here and then doors again. Go to residential and let's go and insert the sliding door. Press open and here we're gonna add in or we're gonna load in all of this. Go to architecture, click on door, and let's add in this door. Let's add in this door and shift this one down like so. And don't worry, we're gonna make sure that this doesn't stick to the stairs that we're gonna add here. So that's fine. This is under, we're gonna still double check this one. I wanna go to our detailed line, change this to demolish, and then let's add in our rod like that. This one, we could go something like that. And there. Because obviously we still have a lot of space here. So that will be fine. That's just for representation. Let's add in more furniture. Load family. Go back here and under furniture, let's add in our tables. And also we're gonna create our kitchen. So let's add this dining table. Type in CM and we're gonna add it somewhat here. I think this is good enough area. As you can see, we have a lot of space here. So for now, we're gonna play around here. This will be our kitchen area. And we're gonna add in some storage right here. Or our laundry room right here as well. So let's go back to insert, load family, and we're gonna add in our coffee table. And that one, type in CM, and we're gonna add it somewhere here. We're gonna change this to this size or the other one, the middle. You can always edit this type and change the dimension manually right here. Obviously, I want the length to be bigger, so we could change this to 900. Or let's do 1200 and make it smaller. For this one, around 550, and that will be good. That's good enough. So that's just custom. We customize this. Okay, so Here, we're going to add in some walls, like I said. So I'm going to click this interior wall, CM, and we're going to add 1000, and we're going to add in a sliding door here as well. And this actually can be a pantry door or pantry storage. So we could add in similar door, so CM, but we're going to change the size of this, like around 500. And we could flip this one somewhere like that. After that, go back and load more. But now let's add in some chairs. So seating, and we're going to add this. After that, type in CM. Let's load here. 1, 2, 3. And then let's add the one in the middle. Click on this and click on mirror. Let's go to the midpoint and add something like that. Click 1, hold on control to add the other 2. Click on mirror or DM and find the center of this. So that's an easy way of mirroring stuff like that. After that, I just forgot, we need to annotate this. So storage like that. Okay. You can pull this one down like that. So I'm happy with this. Now the kitchen, or let's finish up this first before we do the kitchen. So let's insert, load family, and here let's add some chairs and the sofa. So let's add both of this and type in CM. So let's add this for now. Okay, so that's good enough. Obviously, we could extend this more. And then after that, go back here. We load both of them. So we just need to find the other one. And then let's add that one right there. So this will be the living room. And what we could do is we could start on the kitchen or we could start on the stairs. So let's actually create the stairs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to architecture and click on stairs. And here I'm going to add the run right here. So I'm going to leave the desired number. So probably let's change this to around 20 and let Revit calculate everything. So you just need to put base level 1 and then top level 2 and then the desired number of riser. It will calculate the height and the depth through these calculations. So now we're going to add in here. As you can see below that, it will tell you how many remaining um, risers you still have. So I'm going to add in around 13 on this side. And then after that, click on here. It will create the landing here. It will continue it. And then you just need to add in the remaining. So you just need to click up to here, skip right here. It will create its landing and it will follow through. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna click finish and we can now drag it to the area that you want. So we're gonna drag it like that and we're going to move it something here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to edit this stairs, and what we could do is we could add more right here and it will disappear one here. So that will be good enough. I think there's enough space to land there and we have a landing here as well. Let's click finish. And then what we can do now is I'm just gonna click on the stairs and we could actually change the type of stairs and even the railing. So I'm gonna change the railing for this. So let's see. Edit type, thread riser materials. We could change this as well. I'm gonna use this for now. And riser something random. I usually put random so that we could change it on Twinmotion when we put it. Want to make sure we change the railing. So what we could do is we could go to 3D view and click on this. And maybe we could delete this. We're gonna pull this down and we're gonna edit the stairs. Sorry, not edit, but edit the type. I don't want any stringers, so none. Apply. And I don't want any. We need mid support. And we don't want any riser. So you can see it looks nicer. And we could edit this type, edit path. We're gonna delete this. And delete this as well. And let's go back to level 1. And we're gonna attach it to the wall. Like that. AL. And we're gonna edit the stairs to make this a bit bigger on this side. Let's look at it at 3D, and it looks nice like that. Now we can able to change this if you want glass, but for me, I could just appreciate it with this simple but very elegant style. Okay, so now let's go back to level 1, and we're just gonna double check what we did, and looks like I'm happy with this. So let's finish the video and continue on the next. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.